Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 202. This was the 20th of March 2023, a Monday. So this was the first day of spring. So I did exercise, I worked on books, I worked on Remote Wellness Academy, I worked on insurance. So a very busy day. And I am grateful for the people over at Baby Pips, babypips.com. It is a Forex learning site. It's absolutely free to get an account for Baby Pips and start learning. And a multimillionaire told me about Baby Pips. He's like, I asked him, like, how do you get started? If you want to learn how to trade, what do you do? And he's like, that's a very good starting point at that site, babypips.com. For real, it doesn't cost you anything. I'm also very grateful for Ricky Valdez, who also turned me on to trading. I'm going to have more content regarding this in future episodes, but right now I will just call it that. I'm grateful for all the people who have educated me and are helping me get to achieve my goals. So thanks very much for watching. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thanks.